Zambia is stepping up efforts to protect personal data as digital services become more embedded in everyday life. Zambia Data Protection Deputy Data Commissioner Misozi Banda says that the current Data Protection Act will be amended to close legislative gaps and respond to rising concerns over data security, privacy, and digital rights.
Actually started in terms of awareness. We also have our law, which we are amending. We know that there are gaps in the Data Protection Act, and it's making it a bit difficult for our clients to comply with the provisions of the Act. But I would like to assure you that very soon we're going to have
She revealed that the existing law mainly focuses on licensing and registration, leaving out key areas such as data storage, data breaches, and safeguards for children. Information making compliance difficult for many institutions.
As we are amending the Act, it doesn't mean that we should not comply with the law. We're complying with it in its state. We are also amending our SI to include other provisions apart from just licensing and registration. We also have a schedule for fees, which we are complying with, just to emphasize.
Despite these gaps, she emphasized that the current law remains in effect and institutions must continue to comply.
We expect to know the roles and responsibilities of data controllers and processors. We expect to know about storage, about data transfer and breaches as well, and also the principles of data protection.
The awareness training held in Ndola was organized by the Zambia University of Technology and brought together senior executive and middle managers from both public and private sectors.
So this training you see this morning is a demonstration of the commitment the institution has made to industry in terms of developing staff, in terms of professional acumen, and of course making sure that there is data awareness. There is awareness to the Data Protection Act.
Participants have described the training as timely, saying it equips decision makers with the tools needed to navigate Zambia's fast-evolving data landscape.
But there is also the customers, and what that entails is that if we are compliant with the Data Protection Act, we create that trust. We are telling our stakeholders that the information that you give us will be processed in a transparent manner, and it's safe with us.
Love Mosondesh for Diamond News in Ndola.